see, we look like we had a crisis of pajamas this morning, but we love it. From cozy matching sets to festive prints, everyone's facing this new Jamaican holiday tradition of Christmas PJs, matching PJs. Joining me now, our founder and managing director of DSANZ Jamaica, Demille Harriet, and Douglas Stewart. I agree. Yes. Won't be left out. Douglas is director of DSANZ Jamaica. So it's Demille and Douglas, and they're here to tell us why this trend is becoming so popular. First of all, everybody looks fantastic. Y'all look nice.
Thank you.
Not you, Nev, but these folks. This is a COVID baby, Demille.
Yes, it
This
is.
business is a COVID baby.
COVID baby.
Tell me what happened.
So we made an impromptu decision to get matching jammies, and when we went to market, we couldn't find anything because it was last minute. Most persons were telling us we needed to pre-order, and so I saw the need.
Here or in foreign?
Here in Jamaica, and so I saw the need and we decided to just.
Where did the trend come from? Nev and I were talking this morning. Where did this trend of matching PJs start?
I'd say it's North American, but for me, I mean, anything that promotes family and coming together. It's a good trend and we can adopt it. And remember, boundaries are shrinking, so with the click of a mouse, something is happening anywhere around the world, it's easy for us to adapt it. So this is a cool trend. It's a nice way for families to come together, bond, and so we promote it.
And so many folks are doing holiday family pictures, so you come and get your PJs and you can then go and do pictures. And but you guys didn't stop there because you do other things too. Douglas, what else do you guys do?
We do matching swimwear, matching sweaters.
Matching sweaters?
Yes,
Do you have ugly Christmas sweaters?
Yeah. Yes, we do.
Oh, we have ugly sweaters?
Yes, we do.
What?
Yes, we do. We have the cute little outfits for the Christmas concerts for the kids. We have learning aids. We have educational toys. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Anything that is geared towards the family, anything that the family would need, that's what we're trying to fill.
So these are just some of the styles, colors that you have available. They're so cute. Like, I just want to buy one of each of them. However, that's not possible. But you guys are based online.
Yes, we are.
And so when you started in 2020 now, what was the response?
The response was good because remember, in 2020 there was not much activity outdoors, so families were forced to kind of create that entertainment, and so the response was good, and you know, it's a testament. Our success is a testament of how well we've been doing. We've been growing from year to year, and like I said, this for us is we're passionate about family, and so we're not just selling just because we want to sell. We'll forever be echoing the sentiments of family being the best present under your Christmas tree.
Right,
so we'll always be pushing.
It's about the PRESENCE.
Yes, ma'am.
Really.
Presence over present.
But then, Douglas, you guys have been even doing so much more. Like since Melissa, you've been doing some good things geared towards family as well.
Yes, that's correct. So every year we usually have a Christmas competition. So it's a photo of composite.
He's eating your mic, do it! I love it.
So what we decided to do this year was to team up with the One for All Foundation, and we made donations both in cash and kind to the parishes and the families affected by Melissa. So we donated over 200 care packages in the parishes of St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, and Chilon.
And we're just to add to that, we're continuing because we know the recovery effort is ongoing. So what we've decided to do is to make a donation this year. We cannot just pivot. Instead of doing the sponsorship for the prize package for the photo competition, we're going to be doing a cash donation to the community adoption project. And we've adopted the community, we partner with the foundation to adopt the community of Brunt District in Westmoreland. So we'll continue the recovery efforts in that regard.
Okay. Your little man is very outspoken. What's his name?
Josiah.
Yes. And he's one of 4 that you have.
5.
5?
Yes,
show me them.
So Sarah, Douglas, Nathaniel, Josiah. My eldest.
Sarah, hold up your hand. Douglas, Nathaniel, Josiah over there.
My eldest Azara, she's at pre-college in the
Yeah,
US.
Azara said no matching pajamas for me. You're crazy. I'm not doing that.
Yes.
Fantastic. So folks are really jumping into this as a thing.
Yes.
It's a trend now.
Yeah, it's a growing phenomenon, and we realized there has been overwhelming support. I know a lot of the families, they were seeking out, how can we get our hands on matching PJs?
No, you know, guys.
So there was the demand, and we answered that call.
Are people ordering from you like year round, or do they wait until Christmas time?
Year round. And there are some, because we do offer some prints that are not festive, they're not Christmassy, right? So they're plain prints.
So you offer regular jammies as well as Christmas jammies.
Exactly.
Gotcha. See, you shouldn't
Family
do this,
prints.
Because pajamas are my thing, and my daughter's into the matching PJs, so I'm glad that I found you guys today by virtue of being.
And we
They're so comfy. Aren't they comfy? I could go to sleep right now. I'm not ill-advised, but same. And then competitive price point. We'd have to say what it is, but you know, sometimes people jump in on these trends and you can barely afford it.
Competitive, because we ensure that we have something for just about every customer.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Fantastic. Tell us where we find you guys.
We're at 5 Lady Musgrave Road, just below where Spartan used to be, Unit 12. 5. So that's the end of. Yes, that's the end of Lady Musgrave, closer to Old Oak Road, Unit 12.
So you do have a storefront?
Not necessarily a storefront per se. We're online based, but if you want to come in to look, to feel, to touch and see, we accommodate our clients.
5 Lady Musgrave, you said?
Yes, 5 Lady Musgrave Road, Unit 12.
And then online?
And then online, we're at DSANZ_Jamaica.
DSANZ
_
Jamaica.
Right. Telephone, it's 1-876-570-2473. Okay. And then you could always email us at DSANZJamaica@gmail.com.
All right, got it. You want to make a donation? Who you want to make a donation to?
Yes, so,
Dr. Dana?
Yes.
True Grim. Tell us about Dr. Dana.
So, during the hurricane, I mean, like I said, we're big on family, and when we saw the story, it really touched our hearts because it really resonated with us.
Tell us the story.
We saw where Dr. Dana was stationed in Mandeville, and he was trying to reach his family, but he couldn't get them. And the next day he went out. The roads were impassable, and his bravery kind of exemplified how family brings purpose, and even when the roads were impassable, he was willing to risk his life. So the love for his family made him find a way to get to his family. And so we wanted to just applaud that effort. And we're donating a set of matching PJs. We'd love to donate a set of matching PJs. We have not reached out to him.
Dr. Dana, Dr. Dana Sugar, we need to find you. There's some PJs waiting for you.
Yes.
But who is in his family?
We heard of the wife and the kids, but we don't know the complement.
So the wife and kids, everybody who is in the family is getting a PJ?
Wife and kids, immediate family.
Wife and immediate family, Dr. Dana, sorry.
Yeah.
Not your extended. Not your extended, because that could be the order of the people them stock.
I know, right?
Understand? So, fantastic. Okay, guys, so if you're looking for matching PJs this Christmas, and so many people are, and you don't know where to start, you don't need to go anywhere else. DSANZ Jamaica, DSANZ, online, in social if you want to find them. Or if you want to go touch and feel on at 5 Lady Musgrave Road,
Unit 12.
and you can go and check Unit 12. Yes. What time you up in?
From 8:30.
What time you shut?
6.
Okay. It's a long day.
It's a long day, and sometimes we'll go beyond that.
So as Christmas nears, we'll be there later to facilitate those coming from near and far.
Yeah.
And I must say, Simone, we're able to deliver right across the island.
Are you?
That's very important. So we have the logistical support. So whether you're in St. Thomas or you're in Westmoreland, we're able to deliver directly to you.
Fantastic. Thank you, guys, and congrats.
Thank you, Sim.
It's interesting sometimes how out of one little need and grow a big niche.
Yes,
hey? Yes. Good job. Say bye, everybody. Happy holidays! Founder and Managing Director of DSANZ Jamaica, Demille Harriott, and Douglas Stewart, Director of DSANZ Jamaica. We're out of here, folks. We're going to sleep. That's what Jammies are for.